Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you the dragon kit that I made earlier. And you wear this, and this. Also this. Wait, no. There I go. And what? Let me just remove that. No, let me just. You didn't see anything? So, wait, let me just put this back in the chest. Yeah. Okay. So we have the armor and we have all the stuff that we need. So we can nope, not yet. So we go to F5 and we go. Like we are flying. Literally. Like a dragon. That is awesome. Uh, this is a vanilla Minecraft, the new snapshot. So for you to able to access it is that you go to your Minecraft launcher, and what you do is that you you check the allow snapshots, because that will allow the snapshots for 1.9. And also you need to equip use the snapshot, and you just have to wait to load, so it can load. So yeah, this is vanilla Minecraft, the new snapshot, and it's pretty awesome. So what you need to do is that I'm gonna just explain, not make it. You need a dragon head, like from here, a dragon head, and you need some elytra. This can be found on the end, the other dimension that has like the structures and stuff. And this is the dragon pants, which only has feather falling, and the boots has protection. So yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the cop song behind. There's a cop. Okay. So before ow. Oh wait, that was where? What the heck? Why did it not work? Okay. Let's go here. We go fly and go to the shop or something. I hit the wall. Yeah, please. There's there's always a cop interrupting. Like seriously. Okay, it's kind of getting annoying now. I will end this video. Uh, I will now end this video, and I hope you guys learned something, and you can make the dragon armor too if you want. See you guys.